Happy Veganuary, day 29. Today I'm making my and one of my best friend's favorite dinner, ramen. Heat a large pot over medium heat. Once hot, add 15 milliliters of oil, 1 crushed clove of garlic, 1 17-centimeter piece of ginger peeled and chopped finely, and 1 chopped medium yellow onion. And cook, stirring occasionally for 3 minutes until the onion is translucent. Add the bok choy and cook for 2 more minutes. Once the bok choy is done, remove it from the pot and set it aside. Add 250 milliliters of vegetable broth to the onion mixture. Scrape the bottom of the pan to enhance the flavor of the broth. Add the remaining broth, 30 milliliters of soy sauce, and 14 milliliters of dehydrated shiitake mushrooms, and stir. Bring to a simmer over medium, then reduce to low and cover for 1 hour, stirring occasionally. When it's done, add 5 milliliters of sesame oil and season to taste. Stir fry quartered carrots with 15 milliliters of olive oil, 15 milliliters of soy sauce, and 15 milliliters of brown sugar. Add 360 grams of firm tofu cut into 6 pieces for an additional 5 minutes. And sprinkle with 5 milliliters of sesame seeds. After 55 minutes, fill a pot with water and bring to a boil. Add 3 ramen noodle packages and cook according to the instructions on the packages. So we're gonna add a double boiler, and then we're gonna add some spinach and broccoli over top of it. Now we're gonna drain the noodles after they're done. Now that the broth is done, add 15 milliliters of sesame oil. To serve, divide the noodles between 4 bowls. Top with the broth, then add the carrots. We're gonna add some tofu, some of the bok choy. Next, we're gonna add some of the spinach and broccoli. And finally, a sprinkle of green onion and some sesame seeds. This is probably gonna be my most favorite recipe I've ever done.
You say that every time.
This is definitely my favorite recipe that I've ever done. That looks amazing. All right, let's try it. Oh my God, that's so good. The broth makes it amazing. Every single part of it is absolutely amazing. Do yourself a favor, don't just use the powder in the packets. Just make yourself a soup. There's tons of vitamins and protein in here. This is so good.